So I know the path is hard because there is so much competitions as well, but to make it easy, so it is up to your effort, how much effort you want to put in, and how much you want to network with the people. Because this place is pretty much small, and each and every people, if you go and talk to them, they'll remember you the next time. Because that happened to me so much. Like some of the times I don't even recognize them, but they used to say, "Okay, you are this guy, right?" So that happens to me most of the time. So it is up to you. You need to go and talk with the people, network with the people, learn new things each and every day. Put your efforts with you. So rather than going too much into this theoretical part or whatever we say, so there is an event coming up, 11th of September. So it is a Google Developer Meetup group. So it's an event in which, so it is particularly, I'm not the organizer of this event, but I know, so the seniors before me who was teaching here, working with Sami, so they are the ones organizing this meetup. So you can find it in meetup.com as well. I'll just share the link with you guys as well. So you can just go over there, network with the peoples and learn new things. Because this time, what they are introducing is, because this is very much hot topic now. So containerizations, the application containerizations, and the DevOps platform, right? How to work in a DevOps environment. And also, so there is a guest speaker from who is working in a Google headquarters. So he will be showing you, or he will be sharing with you guys the path that he has experienced, or that the path that he has taken to get into Google Workspace now, because he's working as a senior engineer over there as well. And we have a senior engineer from a company called Sansend, who will demonstrate you guys the use of some of the Google developed tools, but which is being used worldwide, like Kubernetes, right? So we use the Kubernetes whole. So even even the technology is built by Google, but it is being used by most of the industries, like 90% of the industries now. So, so there are different platforms built on top of that. Let's say if we go to the Red Hat, we have an OpenShift. If we go to the VMware, there is a tool called Tanzu. So it is built on top of the Kubernetes. So let's not talk much about the Kubernetes, but you'll get to know much things if you have some time to get into this event. So the event is happening in Oaks Hotel, Darwin. So it is in the 31 Woods Street. The event is on 11th of September. So I'll just share you the link as well. You can just go over there, you can just sign it up, and you can just do the RSVP. So there will be some very good people, or most of the people working in the industry will be attending this event. So you will have, because not only that, you will also get a chance to get in touch with the people who is already working in the industry, not only with the managers or the hiring peoples, but exactly with the people who is already working in the industry. So there are some colleagues who is working, coming from CDU as well. There are some colleagues who is coming from NTZ as well, and some other private companies here in Darwin. So at least if you get some time, excluding your work hours, if you get some time, and you can just go there and just attend this event. There is no any restrictions. The event is free of cost, and there are some snacks and nipples provided as well. And it is a very informative event. So how many guys are excited about this? Like, yeah, so at least if you haven't attended any of the events, from my perspective, because I used to get shy as well. I used to get afraid to talk to the peoples when I was here, right? So I have my experience back in country, but the main thing that I was lacking was talking to the peoples, right? So I uh, just updated myself. So I just went to the people, talked to them. So if I even talk two sentences, the first event, the second event, I used to talk 4 sentences, because I know that guy, that I talked to that guy, and I have that confidence to talk to him again. So that happens. So at least start now talking with the people, because those people will be the one hiring you or knowing you or showing you the path where you will be going next. uh, at least you might have your visualizations that okay, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing this, I'll be doing this, but the path is steep. So at least you can skip some of the steps, learning from the seniors or learning from the other people's, right? So if you get some guidance, you'll get more used to it and learn more things very quickly. All right, so I think that should be it, guys, for today. So I will be coming in, I'll be here anyway. So, but I will be showcasing some of the applications from the security perspective, how we can use Python from the security perspective. I think it's going to be in the week 9, right? So it's going to be in the week 9. So some of the my colleagues over here will be showcasing you some of the applications that they have built as well, or how you can use Python in multiple platforms. So just attend the class and talk to us as well, because we need someone to talk to as well, because we have lots of things to share. But the thing is, if we don't have much questions to the students, uh, if we don't have much questions from the students, it is hard for us to show them the path as well, right? So it is hard for me to understand each and every person interest. So there are 400 students in the class, so it is hard for me to understand each and every person's interest. So if you come and ask me, or if you come and ask my colleagues over here, they will definitely help you out in showing your path. All right, guys, thanks for that. Thanks for listening to this.